So you see in this problem, we are given three charges, q1, q2 and q3. The value of q2 is unknown, whereas the value of q1 is -2 microcoulomb and the value of q3 is 4 microcoulomb. It is given that the net resultant force on q3 acts along the negative x-axis, okay, which is given by F. Also, you have to calculate the magnitude of F. And moreover, the size of the triangle are given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. Basically, a student whenever sees this question will start using Coulomb's law and try to find out the value of q2. Okay, but actually this is a trick question. Here in place of using, this is a trick question. Okay, here in place of using the concept of force, we use the concept of electric field, because in Coulomb force we have two charges, q1 and q2, but in electric field we have only one charge. So this simplifies our idea of solving this problem and getting the value of q2 and hence the value of F, which we'll get afterwards. Okay, so what I did here is I have resolved. Okay, if the net force or electric field acts along this direction, why I say electric field along with force, because I know F is equal to q into E. So if F is equal to q into E, then I can tell you that force acts along the direction of electric field. So I can tell you here that if I resolve, what is the electric field on q3 due to the charge q1, it is this way, which is Fe31. What is the electric field on q3 due to q2? It is radially outwards. So if this is theta1 and theta2, and if you resolve this E31, you can see this along the green, there is a green line and there is a red line. The green line acts along the negative x-axis and the red line acts along the y-axis. So if I resolve it, it becomes E31 cos theta 1 and E31 sin theta 1. Similarly, for E32, if you resolve into its rectangular components, then you get E32 sin theta cos theta 2 and E32 sin theta 1. This component and this component, they cancel out each other, and only the components which add up is the components along the negative y-axis, which is this one, E31 cos theta 1 and E32 cos theta 2. For E31, the x component is E31 cos theta 1, and for E32, the x component is E32 cos theta 2, which I have added here simultaneously. Okay, so since the y components are cancelling out, so we can say that Ey is equal to 0. So what will be, if Ey is equal to 0, then I can say E31 sin theta 1 is equal to E32 sin theta 2. Okay, so what is E31? Okay, what is E31? E31 will be k q1 by 4 square, k q1 by 4 square into sin theta 1. Okay, so that is what E31 is. And what is E32? That is k q2 by 3 square into sin theta 2. So if you solve it, you will get q2 is equal to 27 by 64 q1. By the way, what are the values of sin theta 1 and sin theta 2? I have done here. Okay, so from the figure, if you see, sin theta 1 comes 3 by 5 and sin theta 2 comes out to be 4 by 5. Okay, so you can see using the concept of trigonometry. So ultimately the answer which you get, q2 is equal to 0.843 microcoulomb. Okay, also we know F is equal to q into E. So we are asked to calculate the magnitude of force acting along the q3 charge. So F3 will be q3 into E3 along the x direction. So that is, what is the net electric field acting along the x direction, which is nothing but it is the sum of this E31 cos theta 1 plus E32 cos theta 2. So that comes out to be F3 is equal to q3 E3x, that is q3 into what is E3x, you have to add all those k into q1 by 0. Now everything will be in SI units because we have to multiply k as well. q1 by 0.04 whole square, 4 by 5, plus q2 by 0.03 whole square, 3 by 5. The ultimate answer is 56.2 Newton. Okay, so you see this. So the net force acts along this, and even in the given question, the net force acts along this direction. So the net electric field is also acting along this direction. So The relation between F and E and Q is given by F is equal to Q into E, that is F3 is equal to Q3 into EX. So E3, the electric field acting along this direction, is represented in this equation by E3 comma X, which is nothing but the sum of this. Okay, and as you know how to calculate E31 and E32, so this is the final answer. I hope you have understood. So that is the required solution. So thank you.